For the next award, which is the Business Innovation Award, I am pleased to introduce, live on video, I believe, if that's such a thing, if you can be live on video, Leela Dawson, Dean of the BCIT School of Business and Media. Leela.
The Business Innovation Award is presented to a business for ingenuity and innovation in product design, marketing, science, technology, productivity, commercialization, business planning, employee training, and other business activities in general, or specific to activities and initiatives related to the COVID-19 pandemic. This year's 5 finalists epitomize innovation in our business community, and I am thrilled to invite you to watch the following video to meet your 2020 Business Innovation Award finalists.
Business Innovation, sponsored by BCIT School of Business and Media. Established in 2013, Advanced Intelligence Systems has the mission to create scalable robotic ecosystems by focusing on zero-emission autonomous robotic vehicles and driverless chains of transportation. AIS has secured many equity funds and government grants to build the company from a humble start in a local library to a sophisticated robotics company in Western Canada. Cellular Robotics is an engineering solutions company that provides turnkey solutions to the subsea industry. Through its dedicated team of highly skilled engineers, designers, and technicians based in Burnaby, Cellular has developed extensive experience in projects that require integrated mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, and software elements in a subsea environment. The Cymax group of brands build tech that runs e-commerce. Founded in 2004, their vision is simple: design an exceptional online experience. That idea evolved into a platform that includes online marketplaces, Cymax Business and Home Square, Freight Club, a logistics solution, and digital supply chain technology enabling manufacturers with multi-channel control, ChannelGate. In 1965, Park Insurance's Joe and Beth Fitzpatrick recognized that BC families and businesses needed more value for their insurance dollar. They set out to create a new type of local insurance broker that was focused on enriching the lives of its customers, employees, and community. Spud.ca is in business to change the world, one bite at a time. Sustainable Produce Urban Delivery Inc. is an online grocery store and certified B Corporation, which has been operating locally since 1997.
Thank you. And Leela, as I can't pass the envelope through to the video for you to open it, I'll open it for you. And the winner of the Business Innovation Award is Advanced Intelligence Systems. So let's see if we can bring them up on screen. Congratulations.
Thank you very much for this exciting news. We are honored from AIS to receive this award, and my compliments go to all AIS team members for their great job and achievements. We find this a huge recognition for our hard work and ingenuity for the last 7 years, and we are also extremely excited that we were part of the Made in Canada solution to combat COVID-19. Thank you once again, and great to be in this position.
And congratulations to Advanced Intelligence Systems, winner of the Business Innovation Award presented by the BCIT School of Business and Media.